You think it's awkward for you?
When a puppet roasts Steve mid-sentence, things get twisted.
Imagine how I feel right now with this man's hand.
Now, we're gonna try some tongue twisters.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
I'm gonna do one, then you're gonna do one.
All right, go ahead.
Here are the tickle feathers. Your turn.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
That was terrible.
I know, Carol, that I ain't never done it before, and Steve don't know what he's doing.
Could you do better than Steve at this tongue twister challenge?